Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. David Paul here in the KHOU 11 Weather Center. Got a couple of things going on. Wanted to jump in here and let you know about not only the rain that's going on right now. We've got some pretty good thunder up toward Montgomery County and Lake Conroe, but also you've got plans for Easter weekend, and they do involve rain. And it looks like the best chance is going to be Saturday late afternoon into the evening and overnight and lingering into Easter Sunday morning. So what you're looking at here is the Easter Sunday forecast, which will begin much cooler than we've gotten used to. 58 is expected to be the morning low Easter Sunday. That's at sunrise. And there will still be some lingering rain showers with those temps in the upper 50s and low 60s Easter morning. So light jacket, light sweater for morning activities on Easter Sunday, and the Easter egg hunt may have to be inside, especially with the soggy ground from the overnight rain, which I think is going to be heavier than the rain that is actually there on Easter Sunday morning. I think we stay mostly cloudy on Easter. We'll struggle to get a little sunshine toward midday in the afternoon. And honestly, it wouldn't even surprise me if along and south of I-10, so downtown to Pearland, Friendswood, Angleton, Alvin, League City, Texas City, Galveston, you could stay cloudy with a slight chance for rain even into the afternoon on Easter Sunday. So we'll look at all of that as we move along. Outside right now, warm, breezy, humid, and scattered thunderstorms have popped up in the warmth of the afternoon. Bush 78, Pearland 79, Sugar Land at 79. And let's just get to the radar. And you can see the lightning and thunder now across the northern third. If you watched our forecast yesterday, this is exactly what the models were putting out. The northern third was going to have this disturbance rumble through Brenham to Bryan, Madisonville, Navasota, Beat Eyes, Huntsville, Livingston, and that's where the action is. We actually had a tornado warning about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago, northern portions of Washington County near Somerville. That thunderstorm cell right there did show signs of rotation. It's since weakened. It's no longer warned. We don't have any advisories for it, but we're just still kind of keeping an eye on that stuff to the north, and I'll zoom in there in just a moment. Quickly, Houston, Harris County, not a lot going on, but that is light rain that is getting the road a little bit wet. It's going to slow down your commute coming across the west and southwest side. Bel Air coming into out of Meyerland into Memorial, and then down south toward Alvin, League City, Friendswood, Pearland, get little light shower activity that will sweep across the county over the next half hour, 45 minutes. A couple of little pockets of heavier downpours. Two little showers have popped up. Spring Woodlands. So that is moving into the woodlands. So woodlands, get ready. That shower, although it's small in size, it's putting down some pretty heavy rain where it's coming down. Stronger, more widespread rain. A couple of thunderstorms up here in Montgomery County, Grimes County, Walker County. This one's still putting out some pretty good lightning and thunder, moving into Montgomery, western Montgomery County, FM 149, FM 2854. Lake Conroe is right here. So Lake Conroe area, all the neighborhoods on Lake Conroe are going to get some rain, maybe a clap of thunder over the next hour as that moves across from west to east, moving west to east at about 20, 25 miles an hour. Here's a little closer view. Okay, there's Highway 105, there's the dam, 1097 bridge, about to get real wet, so bent water. Folks on the west side of the lake are going to get wet here as the thunder is moving in, but it's not severe, just enough to soak your garden, which is something we do need as that moves east. Everything moving to the east now at about 20 to 25 miles an hour. I did put a storm track on this. It's weakening, but here are the neighborhoods in the line for this thunderstorm. Panorama Village coming up here real quick at 305. Conroe, downtown Conroe, 315, 314. Maynard, 338. Cleveland, 405. If it holds together all the way to Cleveland, it is weakening. We'll see, and the models do continue to suggest that that weakening trend is going to continue. Just another look at where the rain's coming down. Pretty good shower there, south side of Lake Conroe. There's I-45. So everybody across the lake is about to get a little wet and a little stormy, and there could be some gusts of wind to 30, 35 across the lake as that goes through. Now it's just rain. Looks like the lightning has just come to an end from Shepherd to Point Blank, Livingston. So you guys are getting rain, but it's nothing severe. This is just kind of a good wet the garden and get the roads wet to slow down your commute this evening. There is Lake Livingston, just to set your bearings, and you can see it is now light to moderate rain coming down across the lake and all that moving east. And that's what the model suggests. Did you see it? Let me just back it up and show this to you once again. So here's where we stand now as far as the models. This is what they thought the radar would look like at 3 o'clock, and it's initialized pretty good. So the rain across the northern third, and then we'll slow down that just so you can see. Watch how it moves to the east. By 5 o'clock, models say we're pretty much done with the rain showers. We'll see if that actually verifies, but bottom line is this stuff is expected to weaken. And in fact, if you don't get too much rain, you could probably still have evening practices as long as the field isn't too wet. By the time we get to 6, 7, 8, 8:30, no rain expected in the evening. Overnight, things are relatively quiet. This is Friday morning. We kind of get a break on Friday. It will be warm and breezy. We're 72 in the morning. That's 7:30 in the morning Friday. We're mostly cloudy during the day, warm, breezy, humid, a repeat of what we've had most of this week. This is 2 in the afternoon, tomorrow afternoon. Not much going on Friday. But let's go into the weekend. So here's Saturday morning at 7 a.m. So we begin Saturday in good shape. Mostly cloudy, breezy, humid. There could be a sprinkle, but nothing to stop any Saturday morning activities. We go into noon 30. So by that time, modeling beginning to pick up on the idea that we're going to begin to see a few of these little showers pop up. Hit or miss little showers pop up, northern half of the area, I-10 northward. So that begins our rain chance on Saturday at noon, noon 30. But you can see where the bulk of the activity is at noon. It's back here across the I-35 corridor and back into central Texas. So let's move this forward in time. We go into 4 in the afternoon. So here's the main line. This will be your frontal boundary. So this is your cold front with the showers and the heavier showers and storms along that front. Out ahead of it, we're getting an increase in these little guys popping up out ahead. Still I-10 northward looks like the best rain chance by 4 o'clock. You may not see a drop of rain from downtown to the coast through 4 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. But by Saturday evening, 7:30, there's the line. Showers and thunderstorms, and that will be the cold front pushing in with a pretty good chance that almost everybody sees some measurable rain as we head through the evening hours on Saturday. Again, this is 7:30 in the evening Saturday, so that's when Houston proper gets its best chance for rain with the front coming through, and there could be a clap of thunder. At the moment, no weather watches, nothing serious from the Storm Prediction Center, just a general chance for a thunderstorm. But we're just kind of keeping our eye on it. Download the app and turn on notifications just in case you're going to be out. We go into midnight, so this is Saturday night into early Easter Sunday morning, and still some shower activity on the modeling indicated to kind of hang on toward midnight. And by that time, the front's going to go through. We've been kind of looking at this in the weather office. Sunday morning, we still have these little scattered showers. Modeling shows 67, but I think it's going to be cooler than that. I think we may be in the upper 50s in a lot of neighborhoods here in Southeast Texas. So bottom line, sunrise, Sunday morning, Easter Sunday, a chance for some scattered showers with a north breeze, and it is cooler in the 60s and 50s as you get up and get going early on Easter Sunday morning. Rain totals, not very impressive, although I will tell you, some of these little downpours are heavy. If you get caught under one of these, you could pick up a quick 1/4 of an inch of rain today, tonight, and tomorrow, what there is of it. This is now through Friday evening, maybe a 1/2 inch to a 1/10 of an inch in some spots. Then add on top of that what rain we do get Saturday evening, Saturday night, and early Sunday, and you're looking at rain totals for this entire event from anywhere from a 1/10 to a 1/3 to an inch in Houston maybe, and then maybe an 1 1/4 to an 1.5 inches in some spots. We'll take all of that we can get as we are in drought. It's just unfortunate that it may interfere with your plans on Easter Sunday and the weekend. Here's the extended. So here we are tomorrow, kind of get a break Friday as we mentioned. An isolated showers possible, 20%, but really just warm and breezy on Friday. Saturday, late afternoon, evening, overnight storms with the front going through. And it's not heavy rain, but it's a 60% rain chance at least the first half of Sunday. And it may linger downtown to the coast into the afternoon hours on Sunday as well. It's just one of those Easters. And then after that, notice how lovely the temperatures and the weather gets. Still a 30% chance for light rain Monday, but 50s and a high near 70. That is gorgeous on Monday. And then Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, actually very comfortable late spring weather. We bring back a 30% rain chance on Thursday. That's where we stand right now. our next live update on KHOU 11 News at 4. It's live there. It's also live on Plus at 4 o'clock. We'll see you then for our next live broadcast.